Do you enjoy woodworking? Would you like to know exactly how to create stunning designs? Do you have a desire to work with wood but don't know how to get started? Well, for the first time ever, there is now a way for complete beginners or hobbyists to start learning how to create very useful, functional, and great-looking wood products. And now anyone can improve their woodworking skills and grow from novice to expert by using simple step-by-step guides and plans that you can use from the comfort of your own home. It's very easy, and you can get started from your garage. Now is your chance to get access to over 16,000 different woodworking plans that can help you to create awesome-looking designs that will give you a great sense of accomplishment. There are so many designs and possibilities to choose from, ranging from simple projects that can take only 2 hours to make or more advanced projects that can take longer. Basically, there is something for all skill levels. And if you want to make woodworking a business, which you can do from home, our guides will show you the best and most profitable designs that are always in demand. You will get access to the woodworking plans that sell, so you just can't go wrong. Want to find out how you can get started? Click the link below to grab our free woodworking plans. We can only allow people to download our woodworking plans for free for a limited time. So hurry up and grab your copy now before our free offer expires.